In our last video, we talked about a TradingView indicator called Price Action Color Forecast that uses price action color events to predict future price movements. This tool was created by a TradingView user called Zeiierman. While exploring his profile, I found yet another indicator that applies a similar concept as the price action color forecast, but with a twist. It predicts future price action using the candlestick patterns that we all know and love. You know, the engulfing candles, dodgy candles, tweezers, morning star, evening star, etc. Now, you may be thinking, but how does it work? Well, imagine having an indicator. This indicator tracks each move that the market makes whenever a bullish engulfing candle shows up on the chart. As the market continues to shift, this indicator picks up on the moves that result from that engulfing candle, and then it does something pretty cool. This tool takes that specific market move triggered by that bullish engulfing candle and then projects it into the future. And not just anywhere in the future, but starting from the very last live candle on the chart. This gives you an idea of how the market might behave for the next few candles at least. Now, if you had a buy-sell indicator, for example, that happens to print a buy signal somewhere within that upward market move, you could use it as an extra confluence to take a long trade. And this is exactly how we're gonna use this indicator to trade. We're gonna combine it with a buy-sell indicator and a trend confirmation indicator to create a simple yet powerful strategy. Now let's add this indicator to the chart. Click on Indicators, then type in Pattern Forecast. Select this one right here. Now, looking at the input settings of this indicator, we can see that there is an option to choose whatever candlestick pattern that you want the indicator to scan on the chart. Just take a look at all of these options. Now, right here you can select whatever candlestick pattern that you want, but for this video, we're gonna go with bullish and bearish engulfing candles. Now, just like with the previous indicator, this is an option to change the number of forecast candles to be displayed in the future. The event divider is just a separation between the live candles and the forecast candles. The display event is going to highlight whatever historical candles that are going to be used as forecast candles. The buy-sell indicator that we're going to use is called Twin Range Filter, this one by Colin MCK. Next, let's search for a trend confirmation indicator. Let's go with the Supertrend indicator, this one by Kevin. Next, let's modify the settings of the Supertrend indicator to make it less sensitive to price in order to track longer-term trends. We're gonna use the Supertrend indicator as a trend confirmation indicator. Every time the price is constantly trading above it, that is a bullish trend. And every time the price is constantly trading below it, that is a bearish trend. The Twin Range Filter is gonna be giving us the buy and sell entry signals. Whenever it prints a buy signal followed by a future price prediction that goes upwards like this, we're gonna buy. On the other hand, whenever it prints a sell signal followed by a price prediction that goes downwards like this, we're gonna sell. Now let's go over the conditions for entering trades with this strategy. But before we do that, if you're looking for an exchange to trade crypto, then check out Pionex. Not only can you trade manually on Pionex, but you can also take advantage of over 15 different crypto trading bots which you can set up to automatically trade for you 24/7. If you don't want to use the existing trading bots, you can even set up your own trading strategy in PineScript using their own AI chatbot called pionexgpt. If that's not enough, you can also explore their GPT marketplace to see the profitable strategies that people have created using pionexgpt. So as you can see, there is something for everyone on Pionex. Once you find here the strategy you're interested in, you can simply click here and then here to copy its trades. And one more thing, if you sign up using the link in the video description, you'll get access to a 20% discount on all your crypto trading fees. So sign up using the link in the video description. Now back to the video. Now, to take a long trade, these are the conditions. First, the Supertrend indicator should be colored green and the price should be trading above it to indicate that the market is in a bullish trend. Second, the twin range filter should print a buy signal, like this one. This now becomes our potential entry candle. Lastly, for our final confirmation, let's activate the pattern forecast indicator. And then we're going to access the input settings of this indicator to make sure that the bullish engulfing candle pattern is selected. This is what this indicator is predicting the price is going to do. Now, for this trade setup to be valid, this predicted price pattern needs to go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss level. To confirm that, we just take the long position tool and place it on the open of the first predicted candle. The stop loss is going to be set below the most recent swing low. And for the take profit, we're going to set it at 2 times the risk, aiming for a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Taking a look at this, we can clearly see that this indicator is predicting that in the future, the price will definitely go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss, making this a valid trade setup. We let it run and take profit. For a short trade, it's going to be the opposite. So first, the Supertrend indicator should be colored red and the price should be trading below it to indicate that the market is in a bearish trend. Second, the twin range filter should print a sell signal, like this one. This now becomes our potential entry candle. Lastly, for our final confirmation, we're going to activate the pattern forecast indicator. And then we're going to access the input settings of this indicator to make sure that the bearish engulfing candle pattern is selected. This is what this indicator is predicting the price is going to do. Now, for this trade setup to be valid, the predicted price pattern needs to go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss. To confirm that, we just take the short position tool and place it on the open of the first predicted candle. The stop loss is going to be set above the most recent swing high. For the take profit, we're going to set it at 2 times the risk for a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Taking a look at this, we can clearly see that this indicator is predicting that in the future, the price will definitely go beyond our take profit without touching the stop loss, making this a valid trade setup. We let it run and take profit. This is just one of the many ways that you can use this indicator to trade. Go ahead and play around with it and see what strategies you can come up with. Remember to always do extensive backtesting and forward testing of any strategy before trading with your real money. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.